Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit your Fiverr profile. Whether you're looking to update your information, showcase new skills, or simply refresh your profile picture, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make your Fiverr profile stand out. First things first, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Fiverr homepage where you can access all your account features. Now, look up to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This action will navigate you directly to your profile page where all your information is displayed. If you want to change your profile picture, here's what you need to do. Hover your mouse over your current profile icon and you'll notice a camera icon appears. Click on that camera icon to initiate the photo change process. This is a simple but important step because your profile picture is often the first impression potential clients will have of you. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders and select the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've found the right image, click Open. Your new profile picture will be uploaded and updated on your profile, giving it a fresh look. Now let's talk about the various sections you can edit on your Fiverr profile. You have several options available to customize and enhance your profile. These include your About section, portfolio, intro video, work experience, skills and expertise, education and certifications. Each of these sections plays a crucial role in presenting yourself professionally to potential clients and helping them understand what you bring to the table. If you want to edit any of these sections, the process is straightforward. Simply click the Add New button next to the section you wish to update. This will open up a form where you can input your information. Take your time here because the details you add will directly impact how clients perceive your qualifications and experience. Enter your specific information into the fields provided. Be as detailed and accurate as possible to give potential clients a clear picture of your capabilities. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Add to save your changes. Your profile will immediately update with the new information, making it more comprehensive and appealing. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Fiverr profile with updated information and a fresh profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.